2012 Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates. The Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 6-way power adjustable front driver seat, cruise control, automatic stability control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, climate control, trip computer, fog lamps, MP3 capability, power windows, dual front airbags, satellite radio, tilt steering wheel, power driver mirror. Come take a test drive today.